For 3 decades, Brunei Darussalam industry, especially food, concentrated solely on catering to local demands or market, which led to slow growth. With a population of just over 400,000, producing for self-sufficiency alone limited growth opportunities for this industry. Thus, in order to grow, Brunei Darussalam has no other choice but to adopt an export-driven strategies. In recent years, the Ministry of Primary Resources and Tourism have shifted efforts in agri-food production toward export drive initiatives alongside serving local needs. Notably, since 2022, we have been exporting eggs to Singapore, which has managed to raise the self-sufficiency level from 100% to 103%. Similarly, in 2024, we started to export processed meats and other agri products internationally. This shift is encouraging companies to expand, allowing us to scale up our production for export. Accessing export market has allowed us to unlock new growth opportunities that were once unattainable. Clinging to the old model would only leave our industry stagnant with no prospect for further growth. More businesses therefore need to focus their strategy on accessing international trade and market by improving their reach and network using digital technology. To strengthen our export strategy, we have considered 2 key strategies approaches. The first is the price competitiveness, which focuses on offering products and services at lower costs to capture price-sensitive market. Second is product differentiation, where businesses compete by offering unique value, be it through quality, innovation, or brand strength, allowing for higher margin and brand loyalty. Both strategies can lead to competitive success, but they appeal to different customer segments and require different approaches. For Brunei, businesses should prioritize differentiation to build a strong export brand and achieve sustainable growth, rather than cost leadership strategy or competing on price alone. By offering unique, high-quality product, we can create greater value and command higher prices in the global market. Companies enjoying these strategies prioritize value creation for customers, allowing businesses to charge premium prices. This will set the countries apart from competitors who rely mainly on cost leaderships. Brunei Darussalam may not always be able to compete internationally through a cost leadership strategy. However, a strong example of success through product differentiation is the export of our locally produced shrimp. The Brunei Organic Shrimp, known for its high quality and sustainable farming practices, which has gained international recognition, commanding a premium price of 25 Australian dollars per kilogram, significantly higher than comparable non-premium international brands. This illustrates the potential for Brunei to compete globally by offering unique, high-value products. Agritech plays a vital role in boosting agricultural productivity by optimizing resource use, enhancing crop yields, and increasing operational efficiency. Key technologies driving this transformation include precision farming, sensors, IoT devices, and data analytics. Research and field experience have demonstrated that adopting modern technologies such as greenhouse can increase productivity and crop yield by as much as 30 to 40%. Another example in the national context is the use of crop improvement technology such as high-yielding variety, which has improved rice productivity and doubling self-sufficiency level from 3% to 8% in the past few years. We are hopeful that this will rise to 10 to 12% in the next few years.